Richard Radke here with multiple funnel income information. So let me show you all the things that you get if you decide to join it. First of all, you start out here and you go and you look at all the links you get with it. Each one of these links is basically a capture page, and there's a link with it. You can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I'm sending it to. Then if you go back into the training again, and it shows you all the training you get, first of all, you get weekly training, then you get marketing system training, which, look at all the things you can learn here about how to market better. Definitely be worthwhile looking at those videos. Then you go back into the training again, and then you see you get a 7-step training, which lesson 1, it basically means work on your personality. Lesson 2 shows you how and where to get traffic. Lesson 3 shows you how to do follow-up. Lesson 4 shows you how to do YouTube. Lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook ads. Lesson 6 shows you how to block time to do this opportunity. And then there's still some more bonuses in there. So if you go back into the system again, there shows you all your teams and if all the leads you get once you start advertising this, and you get an email with every one of them, so you can follow up. And I do, because you definitely want to follow up, because most people will not join on the first time they see something. The company follows up too, but it's still great. They like to hear from you. Then you got a leaderboard, and then you got a resources. Resources is basically a sample of follow-up emails you can do. You can use them or you can use your own. It depends on, it's entirely up to you, but you should definitely follow up, because like I say, people will not join on the first time they see something. Then you click on there and it shows you all the businesses you got. Then you got your bonus income stream. And then if you go, now let me show you all the, way you start here. First of all, you start on step 1, which here's a video that Matt does, 21 video. It explains the whole system to you and everything you get and how to join. Then you got step 2 and step 3, which you can put your own opportunities in. And if you don't have any, you can look at the ones I got, and you can certainly use them. They're both good opportunities, each less than $10 a month. Then you got step 4, which is traffic authority, where you can get great leads. They've been in business for over 10 years. They also have training. Then if you go back into the system again, okay, let's say you like all those things and you want to get started. Oh, first of all, you go there. This system itself, right now it's on half price. It's usually $97 a month. Right now they have it on for $49. And if you get somebody in on that, you make a $20 commission. They also have a yearly plan, which I win for, because then you don't have to worry about it for a whole year. And that's $350, but you make a $200 commission. So it's a great. And then step 2 and step 3, I think I already told you, they're $10 each, which are great opportunities. And step 4, traffic authority, it's free to join, and then it depends how many leads you buy. The more leads you buy, it's cheaper per lead, so it's entirely up to you which leads you want to buy. So let me see. I think that pretty well covers everything I want to tell you today. The other thing I was going to say is, so be sure to give my video a like, and also join my system. And I'm stuttering a little today anyway. And we're, like I said, I tell you this every week. We're still having great weather here. We have no winter yet. So I don't know how it is where you are. I hope your weather is not too miserable. And I think that's all I'm going to tell you for today. So I hope you're having a great day and welcome you to the new year. I hope you're enjoying that and it's working out good for you. So we'll talk to you another time. Bye for now.